Da 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 da. Hi everybody, it's Mr. Alqamoussi. Today we're going to examine the prefix and its function in English words. Before we begin, let's remember the simple language principle. In English, big words are made of smaller words. If we break down long, multisyllabic words, we can find the individual meanings of their smaller components. To do this, we will examine the three types of English morphemes: the root, the prefix, and the suffix. The root is the foundational morpheme, which is the main meaning of the word. And the role of the prefix is to modify the meaning of the root. Let's look at some examples. Each of the root words on this list is a standalone word with its own complete meaning. But their meanings change when a prefix is added to the beginning, such as in the example un, which means not; anti, which means against; de, which means to take out or remove; re, which means to do once again or repeat; and mis, which means wrong or incorrect. Prefixes are a great way to modify roots and introduce variety to your vocabulary. Let's practice. Number your paper from 1 to 5. In a moment you will see some prefixes on the screen, which will appear in red. Try to determine the meaning of the prefix based on the sample word provided. You may begin. And here are the correct answers. Hopefully this video helped you better understand how prefixes, roots, and English words work. Thanks for watching.